In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and track your dividends on Robinhood using your PC. This is a useful process for anyone interested in monitoring their investment income or wanting to make sure they're getting the most out of their stocks and ETFs. Let's get started by opening up Robinhood on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you're not signed in yet, just enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the account option. Click on it and a menu will drop down. From there, select the Investing tab. This section gives you an overview of all the assets you currently hold, including stocks and ETFs. Find any stock or ETF that you own. It could be one you know pays dividends or just one you're curious about, and click on it to pull up its detailed information page. After clicking on your chosen stock or ETF, scroll down the page until you find the dividends section. Here, you'll be able to see detailed information about how much the company is currently paying in dividends and when those payments are scheduled. This area is great for planning whether you want to hold on to a particular stock for steady dividend income or just to keep track of upcoming pay dates. Now, if you want to see whether you've actually received any dividends, go back up to the account menu and this time choose History. This option brings up a chronological record of all recent transactions on your Robinhood account. Scroll through the list and look for entries marked with Dividend. These entries show exactly when you received dividend payments and from which companies. When you spot a dividend payment in your history, you can click on that entry for more details. You'll see important information such as the amount paid, the exact payment date, and an indication of whether the dividend was paid out in cash or automatically reinvested back into more shares of that stock. Speaking of reinvestment, Robinhood also provides you with the option to automatically reinvest your dividends. This means that instead of depositing the cash in your account, any dividend payments can be used to purchase more shares of the stock or ETF that paid out the dividend. It's a popular strategy known as dividend reinvestment, and it can help your portfolio grow faster over time, thanks to the power of compounding. And that's it. Tracking and managing dividends on Robinhood is straightforward once you know where to look. With these steps, you can stay on top of your dividend payments, check their details anytime you want, and even choose whether to reinvest them for future growth. Thanks for watching and happy investing.